Forecasting the future tops and bottoms or bottoms of any instrument is not so complicated as it seems. In some of my previous videos you might have seen some examples of the right application of the square of 9, which has given some exceptional results. Even in my last video, the forecast has shown a reversal of Dow Jones on September 24-27th, which resulted in a correction of over 1,000 points. Hi, this is Mario from Forex Other Way. In today's video, I would like to share with you one very simple method of filtering of these calculated dates. But you might use this method even without knowing how to calculate these dates. They simply straightforward might show you reversal points of any market, I mean it, any market during a year. So let's start the rock and roll. In your emails, you often ask whether the calculations I teach on my private tutorial sessions via Skype work every time, or in other words, if all the future dates calculated using the square of 9 really work. I found out that if the chosen starting point for the calculations is right, then the accuracy of these calculations is somewhere between 60 and 17%. And in order to get a better hit rate, it needs to be additionally filtered. One of the filters I use is some particular astronomical events, but I made already some videos on this subject and you may find it on my channel. But today I want to show you another one you might have been not thinking of. Let's get the example from my last video where the calculated date of reversal of DJ industrial average was September 25th. 25th was on Saturday, so potentially the reversal date might have been on 24th or eventually 27th. Obviously, you might check it. My previous video on that subject was published on September 23rd, so a day before the potential reversal of Dow Jones, and it really turned. So let me show you exactly. There was 24th, 25th was shown the potential reversal date, and here we go. That's the. So what's interesting? Several years ago, I found a very interesting indicator which helps me filter my calculated dates, some of these dates. Have a look at the Jewish holiday calendar for 2021. It is very interesting. We see some dates here shown when the calculated Dow Jones reversal was September 24th, which as I told has fallen on Friday. But the Jewish calendar shows that on September 2020, sorry, it's not this one, it's 21-26, over here. On September 27-29, there's a holiday called Simchat Torah. I don't know whether I pronounce it right. But anyway, that's the day, 27th, 29th. And look what happened on the chart. Here we go, 27th, this is 28th and 29th. That's the reversal area of this. So this date, additionally, it would help me to adjust my forecast that probably on 27th it might have happened reversal. But you ask why? Let me just show you. There is another interesting one. I got prepared already my chart on Standard & Poor over here, and I marked these dates. This blue rectangles show these dates. So let's start from here. This one, this date, as you know, this is 27th of September. Look, 27th of September, 27-29, it's marked over here, yeah? This one. The previous one, the previous holiday was September 22nd, which has been marked over here. Another one, this one, is on September 15th, 16th. Okay, and last but not least, over here, this is the Jewish holiday, which was on September 6th, 8th, Rosh Hashanah, another holiday. September is full of holidays, Jewish holidays. I marked as well this one, Passover, between March 27 and April 4, which is over here. Is it? No, sorry, it's another one. May is from another calendar, but Passover is, as it says, once again, it says March 27, April 4. It works much better. It didn't show over here on Standard and Poor, which I've got over here, this daily chart, but I've got it on Euro USD. Look again, I marked here some dates. Let's start. I got 21. We got February 2021. Look over here, we got February 25th, 26th of 2021. We had a Jewish holiday. So this is 26 February and this 27. This downtrend started exactly at the date. Let me show you the previous one from 2020. The 2020 was, where is it? Is here, 2020. And over here, as you see, we got some interesting dates. We got 30th of May, for example, which is over here. Let's start from the beginning, 2020. So from the 2019, as it shows. All right, so 2019, 2020, Jewish year 5780. First holiday, Rosh Hashanah, September 30th, October the 1st. Here we go, September 30th, October the 1st. And we got the beginning of this uptrend. The next one, my friend, is Yom Kippur, which is October 8, October 9, 2019. Here we go, October 8, October 9. The next one, as you see, October 13, 20th is over here, is a very long one. It's 7 days, shows from 13 to 20th, and October 21st, 22nd. 21st, 22nd is this one, this downswing. It's even more interesting. There are also other dates. There's a date in December, 22nd to 30th of December, which is over here. All this upswing is just that holiday. And now, look at this one. We are at 2019, a holiday called Purim or Purim, Monday, Tuesday, March 9, March 10. You remember the date, March 9 and March 10 over here. March 9 is the green candle, March 10 is the red candle. And where we are, we got another one. We got April 8th, 16th over here. So as you see, we've got over here 8/16, sign like that. This date shows one top, another one, this is April 15, 16, shows this, with the beginning of this downswing. Anything else? And we got already the next one I've already shown you, which September 2020 is 2 holidays. One is in October, which are already somewhere in this area. But it seems very, very interesting. And as a filter, especially, there is a holiday. 2021, it said Purim, I've shown you already, 26th, 27th of February 2021, which over here is right I think, no, it's not this one. It's still September, sorry. September we got over here. September 2020, we got 18, 20, 27, 28, October 29th, October 2nd, October 9th, it shows. This is the September 18, this is the September 28, 29, which shows another one. This is October the 10th, and so on. So it looks like this is the December as well, this long uptrend, upswing, whatever you call it. This is February, I've shown you already. February 2021. Here we go. It's 26th and 27th February 2021. Then we've got the area of March, April, which shows 27 March, April the 3rd. 27 March, April the 3rd is somewhere over here, I think. This is the 3rd of April, probably. Yes, it is. This is the 26th or 27th, a little bit further. So this period shows a very bottom of the market. And then if we go further, we got May 16, 17th, 2021, which we might check it. May 16th is somewhere, 16th, 17th is somewhere around here, where this upswing ends up. The market made what it made and collapsed after that. So I think very interesting, very interesting. Please pay attention, especially to the future Jewish holidays, which happen on February. That one is Purim. Every year it shows. This year it's shown a nice reversal on 26th, 27th of February. Previous year, Purim shown a great reversal of March 9 and 10th. It's exactly the day when the President Trump announced that United States is going lockdown for the reason you know what, and the market collapsed. Just good couple of hundreds of pips over here. So this one was about 800 pips fall just from the Jewish holiday. So, and if you want to know how to use the square of 9 for calculating future reversal dates, join my private tutorial session via Skype. You'll find the contact details below this video. Thanks very much for watching, Green Peeps, and bye-bye.